In this video, I'll show you how to create a Google spreadsheet from scratch. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy Google Workspace guides. To get started, open your web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Next, click the Google Apps icon in the top right corner, then select Google Drive. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the list until you find it. Once you're in Google Drive, click the New button in the top left corner. From the menu, choose Google Sheets, then select Blank Spreadsheet if you want to start with an empty sheet, or choose one of the available templates if it better fits your needs. When your spreadsheet opens, click the title at the top and give your file a name. Google will automatically save your changes as you work, so there's no need to save it manually. Now you can begin entering your data. Simply click any cell and type your information. For example, you might create column headings such as name and score, then add your data underneath. If you'd like to format your headings, highlight the cells and use the bold option, or press Ctrl+B on your keyboard. Google Sheets also includes powerful formulas for calculations. To use one, click an empty cell and type an equals sign to begin a formula. For example, you can click one cell, type a plus sign to add values together, or use an asterisk to multiply numbers. You can also subtract, divide, or use many other built-in functions to analyze your data. After entering your formula, press Enter, and Google Sheets will instantly calculate the result. And that's it! You've successfully created your first Google spreadsheet and learned the basics of entering data and using simple formulas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.